Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to our another vlog. So now I was going somewhere, then I suddenly saw some duck and a hen eating something. So I thought I should also show you. So guys, see, duck and hens are eating so beautifully. And see, suddenly some goats came and started eating. Living in village is having a different vibe. So now let's go to pig farm. So guys, you can see these are my mamu's pig farm. They are having approximately 100 plus pigs and this farm is really big. If we make a round around the borders, it will take us 1 hour to complete one lap. There are so many piglets and they are fighting and enjoying. If you want to get any pig and piglet, so comment me in the comment section. You all like this video, so meet you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and also one thing, press the bell icon. Okay, so bye, meet you in the next video.